Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the iPhone 12 series, it's here, but one thing is little about confusing and little sad. The iPhone 12 series does not support 5G in a dual SIM mode. This is a sad news for the iPhone 12 lover. A legal listing on Apple sales web ASW page, which provide detailed information on all of comparison product, revealed an important detail of the new iPhone 12 series 5G connectivity. You won't be able to use dual SIM while on a 5G. You can either have your regular SIM card on the eSIM working at up 4G LTE speed, or use one of them on 5G dual SIM connectivity will automatically drop new iPhones to 4G speed. So as you can see, this is the iPhone 12 FAQ on ASW website. The discovery was shared or Verizon by user at who managed to get hold of the FAQ document. Mean for the retailer and carrier, it clear state when using two lines in dual SIM mode, 5G data is not supporting on either line and will fail back to 4G LTE. If customers are using eSIM only or and on 5G supported carrier and service plan, they will have 5G access. According to the speculation, Apple will address this via software update before the year end, though it remains to be seen if that will be indeed be in the case. So the new another leaks, it says the iPhone 12 ceramic shield cost the same $279 to replace as iPhone 11 Pro glass. Apple a new ceramic shield front glass on a iPhone 12 series is handed are being 4 times hard to break than the glass on iPhone 11, but should you break it, Apple will charge you the same $279 at replacing it is did in the iPhone 11 Pro glasses. The iPhone 12 a new OLED display also costs $279, which $80 more expensive to replace than last year iPhone 11 LCD. As you can see, this is the iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 screen repair price and iPhone 11 screen repair price as well. Apple has listed the repair cost of the new 6.1-inch iPhone 12 and 12 Pro and will be detailed the same for the 5.4-inch iPhone 12 mini and the 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max when those go on a pre-order next month. Typically, a largest iPhone commands on highest cost repair $329 for the iPhone XS Max and last year iPhone 11 Pro Max. So we expect the iPhone 12 Pro Max cost the same to fix. Whether Apple charge less for the iPhone 12 mini remains to be seen. The cost to repair other damage such as liquid damage has remained $549 for the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 12 Pro, but has grown from $399 on the iPhone 11 and iPhone 12 $449. So this is the latest news about the iPhone 12. The dual SIM is not available, and if you use eSIM, the dual SIM 5G available for eSIM. So let me know in the comment section, are you like the new iPhone 12 series, and make sure to like the video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.